So here's the Lakewood Harvest Gold on the stand that I meant to show you, and I put the funny video from my brother and I kind of answered back, and here it is though. The stand is really nice. It's got all the parts, including on the inside the original plastic fastener that you could see right there. Yeah, so you know, it's a real nice fan. A little bit of rust on it, a little bit of crazing in the paint, but it's otherwise a very nice. And I did a whole disassemble, reassemble series of videos on this one, so if you go back on my page, you'll see it. And let's go ahead and run it. Dr.Don't's using it for the air conditioner. So it's high. Medium. The switch could probably use a little contact cleaner. I don't really care to take those apart. Low. Now this is the way I like to see the low speed. The two tan square corner ones that I'm working with this summer, the low seems too slow, slower than that for sure. So I'm not sure why there's a difference between the different models. There's the most awful evil cat on the planet. Say hi, Sharkeisha. Say I'm evil. That's right. You can't tell, but I'm evil. Evil cat. So there you go. So that's low. We'll go back to high. We'll do a spin down despite evil cat's objections. But it's very nice condition, this guy. It's a cool fan. Found it as is on the stand. It had been in an attic, so I had to take it off the stand to get it in the car. I immediately put the stand away. But it's a nice get-up, and spins pretty free. You know, it's these Lakewoods. You know, they're pretty bulletproof as long as they don't get submerged or beat to heck. But this one seems to run nice. That's why I gave it to D-Rock here, because I wanted him to have something that's you know, reliable, that you can just put on. With the older fans, you know, I have some box fans that are quite a bit older, but I kind of feel like those really should be watched, just because of their age. But these, if they're not too beat up, seem to run real nice, and that's what I wanted to hook him up with. He said, you got a fan? I was like, are you kidding me? Get out of here. So anyway, there's your Lakewood. Did that have a sticker? It had a sticker, as you can see. But anyway, there it is. Pretty nice machine. And I like the color on that one. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Evil Cat!